Welcome to Gear Up Windows video channel. In this video, you will learn on how to open disk management in Windows 11. After a short brief about disk management, we will go with steps. Disk management is a built-in utility on Windows 11 that manages internal and external hard drives. Using this built-in tool, you can even manage your USB flash drive. That means whatever external hard drives are possible to connect to your PC can be partitioned, formatted, or deleted. This tool also allows you to extend or shrink an existing partition. You can change the drive letter easily using built-in disk management. Now, you understand the importance of the disk management tool. Let me proceed with some of easily step through which you can access it on Windows 11. How to open disk management using Quick Access menu. To open the disk management tool using the Quick Access menu, do the following. Step 1. Perform a right-click on the Start button on the taskbar or press the Windows +X keyboard shortcut to launch the Quick Access menu. Step 2. Select Disk Management from the pop-up menu to open it. How to launch disk management from Windows Search. To launch the disk management tool from the Windows Search menu, do the following. Step 1. Click the Search button to open the taskbar search menu. Step 2. Now, type Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions in the text field at the top, and then click on the relevant search result to open it. How to open disk management using Run command. To open the disk management tool using the Run command, do the following. Step 1. Press Windows +R keys from the keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Step 2. In the Run dialog box, type the following and hit Enter from the keyboard. diskmem.msc. Now, disk management will open. How to open disk management using PowerShell or Command Prompt. Step 1. Open Windows Terminal, PowerShell, or Command Prompt, whatever you prefer to use. Step 2. On the prompt, type the following and then hit Enter from the keyboard. Diskmem. That's it. If you have not subscribed the Gear Up Windows video channel yet, please subscribe it now to watch more amazing videos.